I bet you never have a zucchini sauce. Look how creamy. We gotta do the zucchini first. We chop. Let's put the gas on over here. Little drop of the oil. Warm up the oil a little bit. Okay, pancetta. Now this is not gotta cook too long, okay? Just to warm up a little bit, little color, it's it. The pancetta we do like this, get one apple, the zucchini, you get a good flavor. Okay, now this is ready. Let's take it out. Good, look how beautiful look this pancetta. I want to taste. Okay, now we gotta start with the garlic and onion. We need a little extra oil. Now we put a salt for the water for the pasta. You gotta cook. Okay, we got 1, 2, and 3 teaspoons. Okay, now this is the pasta we cook today. This is a mixed pasta. Look how many kind of the pasta we got over here. Everything. Now the water boil, and let's put the pasta. Let's give a nice mix for the pasta. Look at that. You gotta use a lot of water when you cook pasta. Okay, now it's the time of the zucchini. And this zucchini, it's from my garden. This zucchini, you gotta make a sauce for the recipe. Okay, now we put a little black pepper. And we use a little salt. Not too much salt, because the pancetta, it's really salty. Okay, we use a little flake of pepper, okay, make a little spice, and come out delicious. And we give a nice turn on this. Nice basil from my garden, it give a good taste. Okay, look at that. Okay, now I gotta take some of the zucchini and I gotta blend. Okay, make the pasta nice and creamy. It's il segreto della salsa, il segreto del sauce. We need a little water for the pasta. Okay, now we gotta blend. Okay, now we put this over here together. And what I do, I put a little water for the pasta. Okay, good. And let's drain the pasta. Now I keep the water on the cold, but not for the pasta. Okay, now the pasta. All right. Raise the gas a little bit, and now it's creamy. And when I put the pecorino cheese over here, it comes more creamy. Look there. Okay, now pecorino cheese. And look at this. Now, you see this? All the family, you can eat this, you got enough. But somebody want to come now? Hey, come.
I'm hungry.
Now it's a big mix. All right. Okay, now it's time for the pancetta. Look how beautiful. Oh. Now we give a nice mix. The pancetta gotta go all over the place. Look there. The dinner's ready. Okay, look how beautiful look at this. Boy, I want to taste it now. Mix a little bit. Oh, you gotta make this. After you say thank you very much. It's so creamy. It's so good. And the fresh zucchini for the garden, it makes the dish really, really good. So you make, I think maybe you make it every single day.